In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your Air Canada travel voucher. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Information about travel vouchers can be found on the official Air Canada website at www.aircanada.com. When you arrive at the website, you have to click on Book over here on the menu at the top of your screen, and then select Our Credit Options under the Payment and Credit options. When you select Our Credit Options, you will be able to see an overview of all the payment and credit options that they offer, including the Air Canada Travel Voucher. As you can see, they explain and give a summary of what the Air Canada Travel Voucher is, and on this page you will be able to check your card balance. So input your Air Canada Travel Voucher number and the PIN, and you will be able to check the balance that you can use to book your next flight inside of Air Canada. Once you are done, you will be able to use the travel voucher through any of these means listed here. If you want to use your voucher through the website online as I'm doing here, you simply have to choose your flight, go through the process of reviewing, choosing the passengers, the options, and the seats, and on the fifth step, the payment window, you will be able to choose it as a payment method over here. So simply click Apply Gift Card and include the gift card number and the PIN. I hope I was able to help you on how to use an Air Canada travel voucher. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.